iQOO in India has launched its two new smartphones, iQOO 7 and iQOO 7 Legend. In this video, we will talk about iQOO 7 specification and later on we would get to know should we buy iQOO 7 or not. First, we would talk about performance specifications. Say hello to the new monster iQOO 7. With a razor-sharp focus on performance and a supremely immersive gaming experience, these are the real game changer. It comes with extreme performance and takes your gaming experience to another level. Be ready to experience uber performance. Presenting an unprecedented innovation, the dual chipset in iQOO 7. First, performance and second for display. By the company, it is named as Dual Chip Monster. The monster has arrived. Take a good look at it before it takes your world by storm. Presenting iQOO 7 Dual Chip Monster. It's time to witness a new chapter in performance with iQOO 7, packed with everything that's meant to break every performance benchmark. The partnership of Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor and intelligent display chip is unmatched. The first is for performance and second is for display. The new iQOO 7 is all about performance and more. Its all powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G is 10% more powerful than its predecessor, meaning more performance, more speed. Breaking records and benchmark is what makes iQOO 7 a high-performing dual-chip monster. It has Antutu score of 7,12,462. Speaks for itself, doesn't it? Multiple forces assembled to make your experience smooth as butter. iQOO 7 has an extended RAM feature that will ensure a smoother, lag-free experience while using multiple applications. It comes with 66-watt flash charge that charges 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. Now that's lightning fast. It comes with 120Hz AMOLED display, 1300 nits peak brightness and a 60,000:1 contrast ratio to get a smoother and immersive display experience. Experience smoothness at its best. Let us sum up the performance side of the monster for you. Gaming performance redefined. With the intelligent display chip on iQOO 7, gaming gets as smooth as you have ever imagined. The intelligent display chip on iQOO 7 is used for motor estimation motion compensation technology. This increases your game frame rate interpolarization from 60 to 90 or even 120 frames per second. Let's tell you about a unique game changer. The intelligent display chip in iQOO 7 works as a separate graphic chip. It distributes the load of GPU while playing high frame per second games. It has a vapor cooling chamber with a 6000 mm 2 graphite layer giving you a full coverage liquid cooling system. Now heavy duty gaming is going to be fun. It has 300 Hz touch sampling rate and 1000 Hz instant touch sampling rate. The intelligent chip integrates an all HDR gaming feature that upgrades ordinary HDR to high quality graphics. Now let us sum up the ultra gaming experience in iQOO 7. Here is another a quest to capture vivid moments. It comes with a 48 megapixel optical image stabilization main camera with IMX598 sensor and a 13 megapixel wide angle camera. Take pictures in an extremely dark environment effortlessly with extreme night vision. Capture motion without a miss. Capture the smaller details using Pro Sports mode. A perfectly packed monster for a superior photography experience. Now let us sum up its camera specifications. What does your monster look like? Black as storm or blue as solid ice? Pick your color and quest on with the new. Now let us see a brief summary of iQOO 7. Now let us see its price. You can even get some discount. Now let us see its offer. Now, talking about my personal opinion, should you buy this phone or not? I would suggest you to buy this phone as it is best in its price segment. Talking about its specification, its processor, and other features that it has. It has a good camera. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, which is a very good processor. It has a great camera setup. Now, if you want to buy a phone that is gaming oriented, then you should also go for it. All the images are sourced from iQOO India Twitter account. You are watching Smart Update, hashtag stay updated. I will catch you in the next one.